So now let's work on API routes for updating the password. And again, I'm going to keep it inside this profile.js because inside our profile page, we have these settings here and we can update the password from here or these show new message pop-up. And if you want, you can transfer these routes inside the auth file, but I'm going to keep it here. So update password. Our route is going to be router.post settings and password. And we're going to have the middleware here and request and response inside try catch. So here inside the body of the request, we are going to receive the current password. So the password and the new password. And first of all, we are going to check if new password dot length is less than 6. We are going to return res.status 401.send. Password must be at least 6 characters. And after this, we are going to find the user. So const user await user model dot find by id, and we are going to receive it inside the middleware. So request.user id, and we are going to chain a method dot select plus password. So just like we did on login route, and here let's create a variable const is password await pcrypt dot compare. So the string is going to be current password and the hash is going to be user dot password. And if not is password, so that means the password was incorrect, return res.status 401.send invalid password. So if the password is correct, we are going to save the new password in a database. So user.password is equals to wait bcrypt.hash. So we are going to again hash the new password. So the string here is going to be new password and the number is going to be 10 rounds. So after this, we are going to save the user, await user.save. So this is all we have to do to update the password. And now we are going to update the message pop-up settings. So update message pop-up settings, router.post settings and message pop-up auth middleware and our request and response inside try catch. So const user await user model dot find by id request dot user id from a middleware, and here we're going to check if user dot new message pop-up. So inside the user model, we have this new message pop-up. This is a boolean. So if user dot new message pop-up, we are going to set the user dot new message pop-up to false and await user dot save, and else user dot new message pop-up is equals to true and await user dot save. So all we did was we are checking if the user dot new message pop-up is equals to true, we are setting it to false. Else if it is false, we are setting it to true and we are saving the user. And after this, we are just going to return res.send success. So I'm going to show you what these message pop-up setting means. So here I'm going to send the message to the user. Here I'm logged in inside the John Doe. And if I send the message hi, and the message is gone, and the message is received on the home page inside this model right here. So when the user has set the message pop-up settings to false, we are not going to show this model. Otherwise, we are going to show this model here. And we are also going to have these instructions here so that the user can disable the new message pop-up settings from the account page. So this was all for this video. Now in the next video, we are going to start working on our front end. So I will see you there.